everyone, we're going to transform each polar equation to an equation in rectangular coordinates. Then identify and graph the equation. These are very similar. One's in cosine, one is in sine. Now basically for this one has the form of r equals plus or minus 2a cosine of theta, where my a is positive. And then this one's the same thing, but it's r equals plus or minus 2a cosine of theta, and a is positive. So to simplify this, what we're going to do is write r equals 2 cosine of theta and multiply through by r. That's going to give me r squared equals 2r cosine of theta. All right, r squared equals x squared plus y squared. And then we have 2 times r cosine of theta. So that's going to be 2x. So simplifying, we get x squared minus 2x plus y squared equals 0. And so let's complete the square. We're going to get x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus y squared equals, we added 1 to both sides, 1. This is going to give me x minus 1 squared plus y squared equals 1. Same thing's going to happen with this one, except it's going to be for sine. So you multiply through by r, you're going to get r times r equals 2 sine of theta. So you get r squared equals 2r sine of theta. And this is going to be x squared plus y squared equals 2y. Move everything over to the left-hand side and complete the square. So half of 2 is 1 plus 1. So you're going to add 1. This is going to be x squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 1. So our radius is 1. This one, the center is going to be 0, 1. And this one is going to be the center, 1, 0. And both of them have radius equals 1. So basically for the first one, we have a circle passing through the pole and centered on the polar axis. This one, it passes through the pole and the center is on the line. Theta equals pi divided by 2. So let's look and see what we have. And these are what we did. We did these two right here. Our first one was cosine, so we had this form. I know this is small. This is on my Facebook page if you ever want to save it. So for the first one, we had the center was 1, 0, so you go out 1. This is kind of small. So you go out 1, and the radius is 1. So basically, you just kind of make a circle here, and that's your circle. It's kind of small because the radius is 1. And then this one, the center was 0, 1. So you go up 1 here and go up 1. So that's why this one is centered on the line pi equals 2. That's what that means. This one is centered on the pole here at 0. All right. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.